Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create a WordPress website without any advanced technical knowledge. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to create their first website. All you have to do is follow step-by-step instructions and you would be able to create your own WordPress website very easily. The two most important things we need to purchase for creating any website are domain name and hosting. Domain name is basically a website name like google.com, youtube.com or any other website.com. And second thing we need is hosting, where all our website data will be stored, processed and hosted. So you can start following the instruction now. The step one is to visit the video description and from there you will find a link to my website. From here you can find the best offer for hosting. Just click on this button here and it will directly take you to the hosting a website. And from there you can select your plan and use this coupon code by applying it to your cart. Okay, so I will show you how to do it. So I have already opened the hosting a website and you will also see this same website if you use the link. And from here I would recommend you to use the premium plan if you're just getting started and not expecting a lot of traffic to your website. If you are expecting a lot of traffic or you want to create an e-commerce website or something that will require a lot of resources, then you can use the business plan or the cloud starter plan as per your requirements. I would suggest you to please avoid this single plan because the resources are too low on this and your website will perform really slow. So I will select this plan, click on choose plan here. And from here you can have to select the duration now. So the longer duration you subscribe to, you will get a better deal. And the price, if you follow the link, it will automatically show you the local currency. So from here, if you select 24 months, you will see the per month price has increased a bit. And if you select the 12 month, now the price has also increased a bit. Okay, but the advantage of the 12 months plan is you will get a free domain with this order. Okay, if you select less than 12 months, 1 month, it will be very expensive. Also will not get any free domain. Now I will search if the domain I want is available. So I will select this duration and then go here and search for the domain I want. For most businesses, I would suggest a .com extension as it is the most popular domain extension and its renewal charges are also same. When selecting a fancy extension, make sure that you also check the renewal charges. Okay, sometimes it can be a lot higher. After this, you have to apply the coupon code which you can get from my website. Okay, just copy it from here and then apply it. After applying the coupon code, you can see on top of the existing 80% discount, with this coupon code we are getting extra 7% discount. So the total discount will depend on the cart value. So if you are applying it on the 48 months plan, so you'll get a lot more discount. Okay, and similarly, if you are selecting a 1 month plan, you will get a small discount, but with every purchase you will get some discount. Now click on continue. On this page, you have to register with email and password. Make sure that you have noted this password and kept it in a safe place. We will need this later. Then click on register. Now you have to provide your personal details. Click on continue. And then you have to complete the payment. After completing the payment, you have to check your email inbox and verify the email. You can see I got this email a few minutes ago. So you can just simply click on verify email here. And now you can see our email has been verified. And after that, Hostinger will automatically redirect you to the first step of creating your WordPress website. Here, I will select the options applicable to me, or you can also simply skip these options. So I will select the first option. Let's see what's the next prompt. I will select I want to create a website. Click next. Here you have to select the language for your WordPress website and use the correct admin email. Make sure there is no spelling mistake here. Now click on next. For our website, we are going to use Astra theme. So I will skip this here by clicking on this option, choose a theme instead. On this page, I will suggest you to select this 2025, the default option, okay, and then click on next. Or if this option is not available, you can select any of these options that have similar name like 2021, 22. These are official WordPress default themes. So we want to create a website from scratch that doesn't have any bloatware or anything we don't want. So we can first select the default theme and then we can install any other theme we want directly from WordPress. So this is the latest WordPress default theme. Click on next. Here Hostinger will prompt you to install some plugins, but we do not need to do that now. So I will select this option, deselect all, and then click on next. Or you can also select on do not install plugins. This will be better. Now we have to select a domain name for our website. If you have already not paid for a domain name, you have to search for a new domain name. You can see here, it is showing that I already own this domain. So I can also simply select this. But for example, if you have not paid for a domain already, I will show you how to do it at this step. You can see here, so as we did earlier, you have to search for a domain. If that's available, it will show the price here, then you can select it, okay? And if you have purchased the 12 months plan, this domain will be free for you. So I will remove this and I will select the domain I already own, okay? Or if you do not want to purchase a domain right now, you can also use this use temporary domain option. I will select this domain, click on next. Then again, you have to fill some personal contact information details. So I will quickly do that and show you the next steps. After providing all the details, click on finish registration. Alright, so our domain registration is also complete and you can see the progress bar here. We are almost done. Now we have to select a data center location for our website. Here on the right side of the map, you can see at all these locations, Hostinger has their servers. So you can pick any of these locations which are available in your plan. Now click on next. As you can see, Hostinger has already started auto installing WordPress and you do not have to manually install, upload or download anything. It will automatically install WordPress and you will get an email confirmation also. So for WordPress, you have to use the same credential which we used earlier when creating our WordPress admin account. And within few minutes, our WordPress installation is complete. Now within few minutes, our WordPress installation is complete and Hostinger will automatically redirect you to the WordPress admin page. Now, if you notice, the domain of our website is not the one we selected and this is a temporary domain by Hostinger. So let's first preview our website. Let's see how it looks right now and then we will complete the next steps. I will open this preview in a new tab and you can see here this is a preview of a website by customer of Hostinger. Okay, and you can scroll down. So this is how website looks like. Really simple. There is nothing right now. Let's go back to the dashboard and from here, and if you want to go back from here, you can also use this option, go to dashboard from here, then go to the Hostinger option, onboarding, and from here you can again connect to the Edge panel. So let's first connect our domain. Click on this option, connect on Edge panel. Hostinger will automatically redirect you to the Edge panel. From here, you can manage all your website settings. Here, you can read this message. Your domain is connecting. Your site will be accessible when this process finishes. So what happens is when we purchase a new domain, due to technical DNS issues and everything, it takes some time before we can connect to that domain, before all the DNS server and everything has all the information about which IP that domain points and It's a technical thing, but you do not have to worry. After 1 or 2 hours, your domain will get connected successfully and then it will be accessible. So to make things easy, Hostinger will continue to make your website available on the temporary domain till the connecting process is complete. And if you have not already started the domain connecting process, you will see an option to connect your domain. It's very easy to do so. And if you need any help, you can contact Hostinger support by using this chat option. So let's go back to the WordPress admin area. Click here. So now let's start creating our website. For that, let's first go to appearance, go to themes. From here, go to add new theme. Search for a theme, Astra. You can also see it here, but if you're not able to find it, then you can search for it. Astra. Okay. Click on install. Click on activate. Now on the left sidebar here, go to Astra. Go to the starter templates option. Click on install and activate. All this process will just take few minutes only. Now click on build with templates. Select Elementor here and that's it. Now you can see all the themes that are available for free, and also there are premium themes for which you have to pay extra. But there are a lot of free options, so you do not have to pay for premium themes if you do not want to. Okay. Now from here you can search for a type of business for which you want to create a website, or you can also select the themes according to the categories listed here. For this tutorial, I'm going to select this simple and really amazing looking nature template. Select it here. Then click on continue. We do not need all these extra plugins right now. So skip this step. Then I will unselect this. Click on. You will see an option that I understand. So if you tick that, it will delete all the existing content. And then click on submit and build my website. Now Astra will automatically download all the required plugins and media, images and everything that is required to build your website. And within few seconds, your website will be ready. Now you can see it just took 7 seconds to build this website. Click on view your website. If you remember earlier when we checked, it was all blank, and now our website looks like just the preview. Okay, it's very simple yet quite amazing. Now let's click on about. You can see this is a different page. Services and contact. Alright, so let's go back to the home page and start editing. Now I would recommend you to wait till the domain connecting process is complete and we are actually able to design our website on our main domain, not this preview domain, because this banner is really annoying and you may have some issues temporarily till the domain gets activated. So to avoid all that unnecessary issue, I would suggest you, after doing the basic setup, just wait for 1 or 2 hours, and then when your main domain gets connected properly and it starts working, then start designing the website. I would suggest you to use that method. So let's learn how to edit the home page. Here, click on edit with Elementor. You can use the same option to edit any page. Right now you can see here, we continuously get these banners. It's really annoying, but okay. Now you can see here, so everything can be edited with drag and drop. You do not need to know any coding. Okay, so all these are divided in different sections. If you want to select any section, just highlight it. For example, I will select this, so it will select this whole area. Okay, and on the left sidebar here, now here you will find most of the settings that you would need to edit your website. If you need more advanced features, then you will have to purchase Elementor. That is completely optional. So if I want to change this image, I have to go to the style layout. From here you can see this is the image, and if I select here, I can also select a different image. For example, I want to select something like this. I'll select that, click on select, and you can see, and that's how easy it is to change any image or any content. If I want to edit this, I have to just select this, and then from here I can type anything. That's how easy it is to edit. So in this tutorial, I will only show you how to do things quickly. If you need a detailed tutorial, check the link in the description or post your comments and I will create a detailed tutorial about editing. So here right now you can see this is not pointing to anywhere. So here in link, I can link it to my contact page or any other website. So if I type here contact, I have a contact page, it will automatically show, and then I will select that, and now it will, when I click this button, it will redirect me to the contact page. After making our changes, you can preview them. You can also select these device options to see how it will look on different devices. Then you have a preview option here. So you can see we have made these changes. The image has been changed. Also this button link is, if I click here, it will redirect us to the contact us page. Let's go back to the Elementor edit option. If you're satisfied with the changes, click on publish. This will permanently save the changes. Now let's go back to the WordPress dashboard here. I will click close all these pages and directly go to the home page. Okay, now let's learn how to create a new page. You can use this option new here, or you can also go to the dashboard and from here go to pages and click on add new page. So let's do it from here. Click on new, click on page. Now select a title for our page. I will make it our story. On the right side by here, you can see the link of this page. If you want, you can also change it. For example, you can make it like this. I will keep it our story. Then click on edit with Elementor here. Right now you can see it's a complete blank page. So instead of starting from scratch, I will use this option. Starter templates again. And here you can see pages here. So here you can search for any type of page you want, like you want for pricing, services, and it will directly show you the templates available. So here I will select the story page. You can see here most of these pages are premium for the story category. This is the free one. So let's select this and we can preview how it looks like. Okay. We can change all these elements later. We can replace all this images, color and everything. I will click on import template and you can see that's how simple it is to create a new page. Okay. There is another way. I will show you now. Okay. So we can edit these content as I showed you earlier, and then we can preview the changes and then click on publish. The page is live. Let's have a look. This looks okay. It needs some changes because it is a complete different type of content than our main website. Let's again click on edit with Elementor. Let's replace this image here which is not loading. Okay, now it's working. So let's say I want to add a new section here, or I just want to create page with sections. So I have to click here, add container, then again click on starter templates. Now we can go to blocks here, and again from here there are all type of blocks available. For this example, I will select this block. Click on import block, There are all categories of blocks available. Again, you can search for them. And just that's how simple it is to import a block, and then you can edit the content here. I will show you again how to do it. Go to starter templates, blocks, and from here you can see all the categories available here. You can also use the search function to search the type of block you want, and you can use multiple blocks to create a page. Now before continuing the process, let's go back to the Hostinger dashboard and check once again if our domain connecting process is complete or not. So I will refresh this page, and you can see now earlier it was showing the temporary domain. Now it is showing the main domain. It has been connected successfully. Click here and you can see this domain is now working. Earlier it was this temporary domain. So now I will close all the pages with the temporary domain and only use the new domain so that our website will work properly. Let's go back to dashboard here. Click on WordPress admin. All right, it's working properly now, and you can see that domain connecting option is now complete. You can see here connected a domain. Okay, now let's visit our website and continue the tutorial. Here you will notice this area is called the header, and this area of every website is called footer. Okay, in the header area you will notice that the new page we added, our story, is not visible here. So let's learn how to edit the header and footer area. Click on customize here. Go to the header builder. From here you can also change this logo and all this information. So from here either you can select the site title and logo option here, or you can also click on this pencil icon here, and then you can change this image. Click on change image, and then you can upload your new logo here. Okay, so just for this demo I will change it, replace it with this image. Okay, you can see it has been changed. Let's go back here. Then we have to select this primary menu. Okay, click on configure menu from here, and this is the main menu. Click on edit menu. Click on add items, and from here we can add our new page, our story, by clicking on this plus icon. You can see it has been added here. Also the changes are visible here now. Okay, let's go back here. So this is only a preview. It has not been saved yet. So the simple method to edit will be, if you get this pencil icon here, just click here and it will directly take you to the settings. So you can also put your telephone number here. Now let's go back here, and from here go to the footer builder. So just like how we edited our header, we can also edit the footer simply by again clicking on the pencil icon here, and then click save your changes, click on publish. Alright, let's close this customize option. Now let's learn how we can have a blog on our WordPress page. So example, you want to have a blog also on your page. So first let's create a page for the blog. Click on new, go to page. I will simply name it blog and publish. We do not need to put any content here. Okay, it has been published. Click here. It will take us back to the WordPress dashboard. Now go to settings, go to reading, and from here you will see this option. Your home page should be home. In post page, select blog. Click on save changes, and that's it. Now let's visit our website. Go to customize. I will simply edit this option header, and I will also add our new blog page here. You can also drag and edit the page you want and where you want. If you drag it like this, then it will become a submenu page, okay, like a drop down. Click on publish. Close this. Now if we go to our blog page, you can see this is only a sample post and there is nothing else. To create a new post for your blog, you have to go to new here, or you can also do it from the dashboard. Go to post, click on add new post. Then you can put your new sample post here. Okay, this is the title of your new post. Then here you can put your content. You can also put any images or anything you want. Also, you can edit this with Elementor. And just like how we earlier created a page, we can create and edit post also with Elementor. For example, this is a text, and if we want to add an image here, I can simply select and drag and drop it here. Okay, then I can choose an image, click on select, and I can select its size and everything. Okay, if I want to add more text, then I can simply drag and drop it here, like this. Okay, similarly from here you can go back to select on this plus icon, add element, and you will see all the elements that are available here. And once you are done with the editing, to save your changes, click on publish. Alright, so now let's make some changes. As you can see, it is showing my email here, and there are other few essential settings that we need to change. Let's go back to the WordPress dashboard here. Go to settings, go to general. You can change your site title and tagline here. Also, you can put a site icon. If you want to change the time format or something, then you can do that. Let's go to permalink and make sure this post name is selected, because this is SEO friendly and also it looks nice. If something else is selected, select post name, then click on save changes. Now let's change our username. Instead of showing us the author email, let's select a username. Go to user, all user, then click on edit. Here I will select a different nickname. Then in the display name publicly as new user, and then click on update profile. Now if we go back to our website and reload this page, you can see here, now it is not showing my email here. But the best way would be to create a new user and post using that. Click on add new user here. Then you can put the username, email address, your name and all details, and click on add new user. In the role here, you have to select administrator. Okay, so have administrator privileges. If you want to create a user for example editing roles, then you can use that option as well. Okay, and then click on add new user, and just like that you will be able to create your new user. Alright, so we have completed the basic details for creating a website. I hope you would be able to create your website. And last few settings I want to show you. If you want to log into the Hostinger H panel, okay, you can find the link in your welcome email from Hostinger, or you can also go to the hpanel.hostinger.com and then log in using the details we used earlier. And to log into the WordPress admin area, you do not have to go to Hostinger dashboard or log in from there. You have to use this URL your domain.com/wp-admin and press enter. It will directly take you to the WordPress admin area. If you log out and log in again, then you have to simply use your email address and password, and then you can log in and do whatever you want. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was useful. Please post your feedback in the comments, and if you have any query, doubt, or if I missed something, please let me know in the comments. I will try to improve it in next video.